Alright, hey everyone. So in this video, I am going to show the primary difference between vertical scaling and horizontal scaling. So I have already set the stage up over here. We have a server on the vertical scaling side and we have a server on the horizontal scaling side of things. So let's say you have set up these servers. So you set up this server with the 2 CPU and 4 gigabytes of RAM and to serve your users, and what happens is that your users dramatically start increasing. Now these resources wouldn't be sufficient at all. Your CPU will max out to 100% usage and your RAM might also get used up. Now with this case, on the vertical scaling, what you want to do is that if you are scaling your servers vertically, you will go ahead and add more resources to it. So instead of 2 CPUs, you will make it 4 CPU and 6 gigabytes of RAM. As time goes on, you start gaining more and more traction. Your server starts getting more and more users, more load. 4 CPU is not sufficient and 6 gigabytes of RAM is not sufficient as well. What you want to do is you want to scale up again. So from 4 CPU, let's say you now go to 6 CPU and 8 gigabytes of RAM, and you keep on doing this until you now know your resources you have sufficient amount of resources to serve your users correctly. On the contrary, with horizontal scaling, you don't add resources to your server. Instead, what you do is that you want to replicate your server. So you have one server, you just replicate it, and you have 2 servers now serving your users. If these 2 servers are not sufficient enough to serve your load, you just come and add another server, and you keep on adding servers you keep on scaling your servers horizontally until you now know you have enough servers to serve your users. I really find the concept of horizontal scaling interesting, although both of them have their upsides and downsides as well. So for example, with vertical scaling, you can't you can scale databases really well with vertical scaling. So if you have a Postgres database or an application that stores state, you basically want to scale vertically. It will cause some issues when scaling horizontally, but with normal servers which can go stateless, horizontal scaling really stands out over here. You just keep on adding servers, and these servers will keep on adhering to your users. And if you don't need them, if the traffic reduces, you just want to remove the servers from the list. And this nowadays, with the cloud coming in, this can be done automatically. So the cloud providers have the servers groups where you can group your servers to serve identical traffic, and basically it will just look out for CPU usage, and if it hits 60% or 80% depending on what you've set, it will just add another server to the group and keep on adding servers until it knows now your traffic is getting served the right way. And when it will notice that the traffic has gone down and you no longer need 3, 4, 5 servers, it will just scale down the servers to the minimum amount of servers needed to serve your traffic right. So this is done automatically behind the scenes without you need to manually intervene. Alright, so my name is Harith, and this was a video on vertical scaling versus horizontal scaling with some tidbits on each one of these. I hope you enjoyed the videos, guys. Like, comment and subscribe for more. Thank you.